Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today we are going to talk about the Indian spices, the major 3 spices which you use in Indian food and the Ayurveda point of view about these spices and how these spices are so beneficial for enhancing our immunity and strengthening our immune system. Let's know about these spices and make use of it. Ayurveda contains the wealth of knowledge about health sciences. Accordingly, traditional foods and the Ayurveda and dietary guidelines has been explained in Ayurveda. There is so much similarity between the traditional health food of India and the Ayurvedic dietetics that we can call it as Ayurveda food. Most of the Indian traditional foods are also recognized as the functional foods because of the presence of functional elements in it. We all know all the knowledge of Indian science comes from 4 basic Vedas, that is Samveda, Yajurveda, Rigveda and Atharvaveda. And all these Vedas contains a lot of life and health related information which we can use in this modern times for enhancing our health. Various kinds of foods has been described in it, various kind of properties of grains has been described in it, and in this modern era we can use those qualities for our well-being and health. According to Ayurveda, if you want to remain healthy, the diet becomes most essential part of your life. Because Ayurveda believes once you eat food, it got digested and it got converted into rasa, that is called plasma, and then from rasa it is converted into blood, that is blood we all know, that is called rakt in Ayurveda, and successively it is converted into 7 other major tissues like ras, rakt, mas, med, asthi, majja, shukra. From one tissue level it converts into next tissue and then next and then next and then next. This way we have 7 layers of tissues according to Ayurveda, and how good quality food you are putting in, that decides how good health you will have about these tissues, because you know bone, whatever the bones are present in our body, that is also kind of tissue. The muscles that are present in our body, that are also muscular tissue. Everything, whatever is part of our body is first on tissue level, and how these tissue levels has been created. According to Ayurveda science, they says various kind of Dhatavagni, which is called elemental fire, that works on various kind of tissues, and this is how one tissue got converted into another tissue. So in cut short, if I would say, how is your health is totally depend on how and what kind of food you are putting in. And Ayurveda science has included various spices to enhance our health and immunity. Let's see what are these spices. And also I would like to say, those of you who would like to support us, who want to join our membership program, there is a join button near subscription on YouTube channel. You can click this join button and you can also support us and get our special videos. So thank you so much once again. We are really grateful to you. Thank you so much.